What happens if your app disappears from the stores and the company closes down? We hear this question all the time. In short, nothing happens. The installed app can still be used. If, for some reason, it is missing from the stores, it can always be downloaded from our website. But the main thing is that our application has an open source code and each version is published on GitHub. This is a very reliable service that stores millions of IT projects. In doing so, all data is repeatedly backed up at different locations on the planet. There is even a storage in a 250-meter deep mine in Svalbard that will survive a meteorite fall. The Tangem repository on GitHub uploads the full code for Android and iOS, as well as a ready-made Android installation file, the APK file. Since Tangem servers are not needed for it to work, the wallet can still be used even after the apocalypse, if of course blockchains survive it.